everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know that we have an update that just was released today. And this is especially important for those that are on Android. We had been hearing that we had been having some slowness issues, especially if you had maybe an older Android phone. So we went ahead, Justin and Patrick spent countless hours working on this and trying to solve the issues, and they have got it down to being as fast as possible. I hope, fingers crossed. It seems to go really fast for us whenever we tested it, so I hope that this will fix some of the slowness issues that people have been having on some of the older devices. There's also just random bugs that were throughout the app, not the garden bugs, but the software bugs that the guys worked really hard on fixing a lot of those. So some things you may not even notice, but some things that we noticed because I use this app like every single day, all the time. So they probably get annoyed with me sending them messages. I'm like, oh, this doesn't look quite look right, and this is missing and that. So we went through, we're perfecting everything we can. So you'll notice some small changes on fixing some of the bugs that we've noticed throughout the app. You'll also notice that there's a few changes in the types section for the different seeds and like bare root plants and stuff like that that are available through Park Seed through our app. And those you can now sort through and find out which ones are award winners or which ones are heirlooms. So you can sort and just look at those ones if you'd like. You can also sort them by fastest starting, which is something that I'm really excited about because that's something that I was actually looking through manually the other day, trying to find which variety was going to be the fastest for me, and because I wanted to get something in the ground now and get going. So I'm really excited about that feature. So it'll show you which ones will germinate fastest and have the fastest harvest. So that will be really exciting. And we have a lot more updates that are going to be coming out very soon. They have been so busy working on everything, especially for the Garden Plus section. There's going to be lots of new and improved stuff throughout there. They're very excited about all the new features that are going to be coming very soon to Garden Plus. We've been going over all the countless emails that we've gotten over the past years and all of your recent emails also with all your suggestions and feedback, and have been working on making it the best that it can possibly be. So be on the lookout for the next update coming out soon too. Well, I think that's about it for this update, but if there's anything else that you guys have any questions about with the app or any feedback or anything that you want to see added into there, feel free to let me know and I will pass it along. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We'll see y'all next time.